Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I've got the Custom Knife Factory Snafu 2.0 here with me for a quick review. This is a beautiful design by Peter Rassenti, Canadian knife maker, astounding craftsmanship in this one. This is a discontinued model, it's a limited edition. This is number 270, but there's like around 400 of these guys around. It was $650 when was retailing. It's made in Russia. It's one of the best frame lock flipper around there. Titanium integral frame lock. Fit and finish is superb. The blade is a wicked complex grind, vapor blast, M390, 4-inch steel, beautiful fuller, crazy jimping going on, finger sharpening choil, just phenomenal sound. This is unique. You know, it's a Snafu deploying, guys. This is 5.5 ounces. The clip is beautifully designed, nice, sturdy. It's fit and finish is perfect, spot on. The grip is fantastic. There are no hot spots. You can choke it up. It's super smooth, super fast. It's phenomenal. Really, guys, this is one of the best let's say production flipper around. Just check out the Damascus clip going on. I mean, this is running on washer, detent is dialed in. I mean, there's so much going on in this, guys. I'm just in love. But you know, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.